Guy, welcome to this series. In this series, we are building this nice website. How we are building this website, I show you everything. And let's go now. I show you. This is we are making three parts. One part is this, and then another part is the image part, and another is this part. And after that, we are making this small image. When we created this all four things, then we putting this text. After this text, we putting text plus logo and this vertical uh, text. How we are putting this all, I will show you step by step. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code and
This is our HTML file. I just created HTML file, and this is our CSS file. I just created CSS file. Now I come to the HTML file. This is our link tag. I use a link tag. I connected both file. Now I use a main div. I creating one main div. I create a main div. I copy this main div. I go to the CSS file. I need to type this main div here. After that, so I need to giving height need to be 100% after height, and after height it's we are going now giving width also 100%. After that I need to give a background color. It need to be, I'm giving this background color code hash, and this is a background color code I'm giving. After when I give background color code, I need to go to the website, browser. I look up, it's got our browser color gotta change. Now we go back to our Visual Studio Code. This is our HTML file. Now we are making part 1 in HTML file, and then we are making part 2, and this is our part 2. And then I'm making part 3, and I created part 3. Now I taking this is our 3 parts. Now I go into CSS file back. I'm making here's a part 1. So I'm giving height to part 1 need to be 100%. After height need to be width need to be also 26%. After 26%, background color need to be red. And now I need to come, I give a part 2. When I come to the part 2, I need to give a height also. Here's 100%. Again, I need to make a width also 64%, background color blue. And now I'm going to part 3. Now I'm making part 3 need to be height need to be 100%. I giving all of them 100%. Now widths need to be 10%, and background color will be green. Now we go to browser. We check how it is looking. Oh, this is our colors. Now we are fresh, and now I see how it is looking. And yeah, this is our color. It is a top on each other, and beside I will be fix this color. Now I need to go back our Visual Studio Code. Now we go to main div, and main div I need to give it display flex. I give display flex. I need to go browser, and is it looking now good? I need to go back to our Visual Studio Code. I need to give a 69. I give a 69, and this is need to be 7 7. I give it 7. Now I go to browser, and this is looking better. Now we need to go our Visual Studio Code. I need to comment this one, and I comment this one. Now I need to comment also this one. Now I need to come here. I need to give background image. I give background image URL, and I giving image path. I give image path background image. I need to give. Now I need to go to browser. I come browser. I need to fresh this one, and our image is a bigger. It is now visible. I need to fix. Now I need to go Visual Studio Code. Now I need to give a background size. It need to be set cover, and now I need to go background position a center. After this I need to go now to browser. I need to refresh it, and now it's good. I will fix that. This is looking now good. And now we go back to our Visual Studio Code and text div h1, and need font size 85 pixel. Font family need to be frank lines, and font weight need to be 900. Line height need to be also 78 pixel, and color need to be white, and text transform per case. Now we go to our browser. Is looking good. Now we come back Visual Studio Code. I need to comment this color, and I comment this height. I now go back to browser, refresh it, and it's looking good. Now we come back to our CSS, and we need to give here's our letters spacing, and this is our letter spacing. Need to be 8 pixel. After this we are need to give this 800 font weights After font weights, I need to go top and I need to change from left side also 7%. I give 7. Now we are save this and we go to our browser. Now it is looking better than before. And now we go back to our CSS file. Okay, we need to collect this all other divs and we need to make here's one more div by name of small image div, and we create this CSS. Now we make a small image div also we need to type here, and when we type, now we are giving height need to be 400 pixel and width need to be 300 pixel, and background color need to be red. And now we are making position absolute, and position is absolute. And now we're making top from top is need to be 50%, and from right side we are making 5%, and now we are giving transform translate also 0 minus 50%. Now we go to browser. Now this is looking good, and we need to put one small image here. Then I will be fix other rest of the image. Now we go back to our CSS. First we need to comment out this red color. We comment out this red color. Now we are giving background image need to be URL. I giving here URL and image path. After image path I giving image, and this is our image. And now I am giving I need to give a background size. It need to be background size. This is our cover and our background size cover. Now we are going to give a background position. It need to be center. This is our background center. And now we go to our browser. This is our small image and it is looking very good now. And we go back to our Visual Studio Code. Now in HTML we are making one of the div by the name of vertical, and I making this vertical. Oh, I'm sorry, I need to make a div. This is our div. Now we are making here h1. I'm making h1 and I'm writing the selection and h1 a selection winter. And now we go to CSS and I need to write here that vertical div text. And now I need to give to this position need to be absolute, and after that I need to give width 100%. After that I need now going background color as a red, and this is, and now we are going giving vertical text h1, and after h1 and I need to give a font size need to be 80 pixel, and font weight need to be 900s, and font family I giving font family. This is my font family I giving. And now we go to our browser. Now it is looking very good. Selection winter, and I remove rest of the red color. I bring up to here. How we are fixing that now we see. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to use a stroke property, and this is our stroke property. We use stroke property. We giving 2 pixel and the width of 2 pixel. After that we need now give color also need to be white color. I giving white color, and this is now it is looking like this. Now in this one I remove color and also I fix this one. Now we go to our Visual Studio Code. Let's go. Now we are making color transparent, and this color transparent will bring a lot of changes in that fonts. Now we go to this one and we need to comment this one also, and would also be comments. Now it is looking very good. That is the reason of the transparent, and we remove that colors. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Now we give this 70 pixel, and after this we need to giving letter spacing. It need to be 10 pixel, and now we are giving transform, and transform need to be how much we are giving transform need to be rotate. It need to be 90 degree, and we are rotating this to 90 degree. Now it is looking, it is got to rotate it. Now is it looking good? Now we work on other things. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Now I need to cut this one from here, and now we are take up here and we need to paste here. And after this, now we're giving from right is a 0%, and after this 0%, now we're giving transform. It need to be transform. We giving a region transform, and it need to be 0% and 0%. We give this 0%. Now save and go to. Now it is looking good. And now we are moved and we bring right here. Now we are need to come and we change this one to 15, and up here we need to come and we change from right here's a minus 44, and we save and we go to browser. How it is look, it is looking good. Now we change our text to uppercase, and we see in our browser then how it is. Now we refresh our browser and how it is looking. It is looking good, but it is moved from here to here. Now we fix this one. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code and CSS. Now I need to change from top, it need to be 0, minus 0, and from right need to be 58. Now we go top and we need to give in a body overflow headings, and nothing is getting out from that. Now it is looking good. Now we go back to Visual Studio Code. Now we go to HTML and we give one div by the name of nav, and after this we need to make a img tag. We giving logo path and we give it logo path, and now we giving h5. In h5 I need to type my own name, Barela Safi, and this we type. Now we go back to CSS, and now we come in CSS, we need to type here, that's div here also nav, and in nav I need to be put position need to be absolute, position absolute. After display flex line item need to be center, and justify contain space between, and other we need weight need to be 200 pixel, and the background color need to be red. We put a logo here, this is my name, and we need to remove this also color, and we need to bring logo here, and we need to bring right here. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Now we need to type nav image, and I giving height need to be 60 pixel, and now we need to give a nav h5, font size need to be 30 pixel, and font family need to be Texas. Now we refresh our browser. How it looking? It is looking good now, looking very nice. Now I need to be increase logo size a little bit. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Now we coming increasing the image size, and this is our image size now. Now this logo is looking good, and the last part is this image not visible. I need to fix this image. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code and CSS file. Let's go. I need to find that image. Where is that image located? I need to give size. Where is that image? Right here. That image I need to give a size to this one, 140 pixel, and we save. Then we will see how it is look. Now we came to browser. Now we need to refresh our browser. How it is looking? It is looking very good. Now we changing this to part color, and one I making this color right here, and a second I will make this her cap color right here. Let's go to Visual Studio Code. We are make that. Now let's go to top. We need to find that div, and I need to give a background color. And where is that? Now right here, background color need to be by giving this background color codes. This is a code I like, and it is a matching with our background, and this is need to be look blue color, dark blue. Now I changing also this color. I giving this color is looking good and nice. This is all we seen in this website. Thank you for watching this video.